Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to use BillliBilli Comics for beginners. To start, open your BillliBilli Comics or BillliBilli application in your mobile device. Once you are now on the homepage of BillliBilli, you will see a list of recommended comics that you have over at the application. Once you scroll down, you will also see new series daily. And then when you scroll down once again, there are recommended comics that you may like. These are the comics available over at BillliBilli Comics. Now, if you also want to watch novels or read novels, you can also tap on the novels panel over at BillliBilli Comics. Of course, this is all depending on your preference. Over at BillliBilli Comics, let's try opening one comic book that we might want to read. Now let's wait for it to finish loading. Once you open the comic section that you want to watch or you want to read, you can see a lot of options that you can do over here at BillliBilli. All you have to do this time is to keep scrolling down so that you can read the comics. This is episode 1 or chapter 1. Now let's read some of the panels as well. Warning, an abyss level warning system is already on the go. You can read it depending on how you want it. And that is how you navigate over at BillliBilli Comics. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.